BJP's IT cell chief Amit Malviya has taken a jibe at Rahul Gandhi through his social media post. He's put out a post on social media platform X and I quote, "Don't waste my time," said the arrogant field marshal. So this is the post by Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and this is what he has mentioned. I'm quoting him. He says, "Don't waste my time." This is what Rahul Gandhi's response was to Times Now's direct question, said the arrogant field marshal. So field marshal is perhaps being used for leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, when a direct question was asked. You just heard, viewers, because we just wanted to understand from him, what does JJ really mean? Because he was targeting the external affairs minister, he was targeting India's foreign policy. So what does he mean by JJ that he had mentioned in his social media post? And what did he say? Don't waste my time. Well, let me now go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, a scathing attack there coming in from Amit Malviya of the BJP.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has launched an attack on Mr. Rahul Gandhi after when he was confronted by our Times Now reporter, and he did not have any answer regarding what JJ actually stands for. And he says that don't waste my time. Now, Amit Malviya has taken a jibe at Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that don't waste my time, as stated by Field Marshal. Now, BJP time and again have been accusing the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi of advocating the narrative of Pakistan. Remember, the BJP earlier had pointed out that how the points which have been raised by Mr. Rahul Gandhi time and again on the intent of the central government has been picked up by the Pakistani broadcasting channels, by Pakistani media, and it has been accepted by their narrative. So that is a very point which the BJP has raising. See, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, after his continuous attack against the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and the JJ jibe, which has been mentioned by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, after which several of the Congress leaders in fact took to social media X to take a similar jibe at our External Affairs Minister, Mr. S. Jaishankar. Now, there has been some of contrasting views within the Congress party itself, because see, the spokesperson here in the national capital from the Congress party are not aware of the fact that what JJ means. And under these circumstances, Times Now confronted to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, since he started this attack and he had no clue. He just said that don't waste my time. See, that is the reason why there has been some of the Congress leaders who feel that this particular attack by Mr. Rahul Gandhi on the External Affairs Minister could lead to fallout and also could undermine the party.
Interrupting you there, requesting you to stay on with us. We have Ravinder Raina of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon, Mr. Ravinder Raina. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, has put out a post saying, "Will JJ explain?" And then he's got 3 questions and he's questioning India's foreign policy. When we asked him, since he was in Punch, so my colleague Suhail asked him, what does JJ mean? His response was, "Don't waste my time." How will you like to respond?
See, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, he is the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, and any tweet, any post made by him, there should be meaning of his posts. And when he mentioned JJ, and the Times Now reporter asked the clarification that to kindly tell the nation about what does this JJ means, he was just looking in frustration, and he tried to just overpower the reporter. This is bad part of the politics, and he should have come forward and clear his stand. What does the JJ means? He is posting on one hand. He is tweeted. He has posted on social media sites, asking some questions and making an argument, but with some uncleared his intentions by making JJ. What does that mean? Everyone in India, everybody is seeking the clarification. What is your meaning of this writing about JJ? And when a senior reporter asked about this JJ, he has just turned his face. This is that. If he has written something, he should clear. What does that mean?
Absolutely. Everybody wants to know what does JJ mean, because if we look at Rahul Gandhi's X timeline, then he has also pinned this post. He wants it to be highlighted as far as his timeline is concerned, but he's not ready to tell the country what does JJ really mean. Thank you very much, Mr. Ravindra Raina. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. You heard the reaction of the BJP. Now, other leaders of the BJP have also launched a scathing attack on the Congress party, accusing it of aligning its rhetoric with Pakistan. In a strong political rebuttal, the BJP alleged that the Congress has become indistinguishable from Pakistan's narrative. BJP added that Congress and Pakistan have been hyphenated and Congress speaks the language of Pakistani DG ISPR. Accusing Rahul Gandhi directly, BJP mocked, Rahul thinks LOP stands for leader of Pakistan.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी कहते हैं इंडिया पाकिस्तान हाइफेनेट हो गया। दरअसल कांग्रेस और पाकिस्तान हाइफेनेट हो चुकी है। कांग्रेस पार्टी लगातार पाकिस्तान के डीजी आईएसपीआर की भाषा बोलती है और आज जब पूरी दुनिया मानती है कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कितना सक्सेसफुल रहा, यहां तक कि पाकिस्तान के खुद के सांसद जो राहुल गांधी के कई मित्र भी है पाकिस्तान में, वो भी मान रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार से पाकिस्तान में तबाही हुई और पहली बार न्यूक्लियर देश में इस प्रकार से 9 आतंकी कैंप और 11 बेसिस पर तबाही हुई, तो उसके बाद भी पाकिस्तान की भाषा बोलने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी कर रही है। राहुल गांधी को एलओपी मतलब लीडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान लगता है।
Well, this is not enough. According to Congress sources, some leaders are worried about the potential fallout of criticizing the External Affairs Minister. They feel such actions could undermine the party's image, especially during a period requiring diplomatic as well as political unity. Sources within the Congress party suggest that this is seen as important to get international support, and criticism from opposition parties might make this harder during such a crucial time for India. Senior Congress leaders have also advised against directly targeting a union minister. Instead, they suggested that the leader of opposition should adopt a more constructive a measure to raise significant concerns.
हमारे आर्म फोर्सेस जिस तरह से लड़ रहे थे, हमें अपर हैंड था। हम लोगों ने काफी उनका नुकसान पहुंचाया और नुकसान उनको पहुंचा सकते थे। सारे हिसाब किताब इस बार की वॉर में हो सकती थी, लेकिन अमेरिका की मध्यस्थता के साथ में हम लोगों ने ये सीज फायर एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। उस पर पूरा देश जो है जवाब मांग रहा है। पूरा देश पूछ रहा है कि आखिरकार क्यों सीज फायर की, क्यों अमेरिका की मध्यस्थता को आपने अलो किया, क्यों कश्मीर को इंटरनेशनलाइज आप कर रहे हैं। तो इन तमाम चीजों के सवाल पूरे देशवासी आजकल पूछ रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री को इस पे जवाब देना चाहिए।
Rahul Gandhi has retweeted the video of Jaishankar giving interview to the international organization in which he said that will JJ explain why India was hyphenated. What does this JJ mean, sir? I want to understand. What does Rahul Gandhi means by JJ?
Of course, Mr. Jaishankar.
But Jaishankar is SJ. Mr. Jaishankar. What does JJ means? Like, does Congress understand what the leader is saying or not?
I don't know, but of course, maybe Joker Jaishankar.
Maybe it's like
Maybe I don't know. JJ, I myself had not.
That is when it becomes whether Congress is able to understand whether what the leader is saying or not.
I don't know. Even I am not understanding.
सबसे बड़ा जो गुत्थी इस वक्त है जो समझ नहीं आ रही है वो ये है कि राहुल जी जब ट्वीट करते हैं वो जेजे लिखते हैं। ये जेजे क्या है?
देखो अभी यहाँ का प्रोग्राम है, अगर यहाँ के प्रोग्राम के बारे में पूछोगे वो भी बात बताऊंगा।
जो राहुल गांधी जी सवाल उठा रहे हैं क्या आपको लगता है वो सही सवाल है?
देखो राहुल गांधी जी ने एक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सवाल पूछा था एसजे शंकर साहब से कि आपने एडवांस में पाकिस्तान को क्यों बोला कि हम हमको हमला करने वाले हैं। तो एक छोटा सा मसला था, उनको बताना चाहिए था, जवाब देना चाहिए था।
तो जयशंकर जी को जेजी कह रहे हैं
वो मुझे पता नहीं था।
And joining us on the broadcast right now is Kavinder Gupta, former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, who's a BJP leader as well. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to what Rahul Gandhi had to say when my colleague Sohail asked him directly, what does JJ really mean? He said, stop wasting my time.
देखिए राहुल गांधी से इससे ज्यादा उम्मीद नहीं की जा सकती। ये कोई पहली बार नहीं, शायद उनके जो मंशा है वो पूरी नहीं हो रही है जिस प्रकार से वो चाहते हैं। भारत ने पाकिस्तान को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया और भारत ने पूरे उनके 25 मिनट में हमला करके उनको सबक सिखा दिया। तो अब ये बीच में से जिस प्रकार से कांग्रेस के नेता मणिशंकर अय्यर और भी बहुत से ऐसे लोग थे जो पाकिस्तान की सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, ना उनसे बातचीत करने की वकालत करते हैं, तो अब और तो कुछ मिला नहीं। अब पत्रकार तो सवाल पूछेंगे ही। अब जब पत्रकार, एक तो आज मुझे लगता है 14 दिन बाद 10 तारीख को 10 तारीख तक ये लड़ाई चली, आज 24 तारीख हो गई है। 2 हफ्ते के बाद वो व्यक्ति कितना सीरियस हो सकता है जो अपोजिशन का लीडर है, इसके बारे में हम सही मानते से पता लगा सकते हैं। लेकिन कुल मिलाकर के राहुल गांधी कोई अच्छा मैसेज देकर के जाएगा ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं।
Right. Kavinder Gupta, thank you very much for the moment for speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective.